Good morning, students. Today I am here to explain 10th poem of our course book, The Road Not Taken. The present poem is written by famous poet Robert Frost. Students, The Road Not Taken, it is one of the most celebrated poems of Robert Frost. In this poem, he has talked about the importance of choices in our life. We know that in our life, many of the times we have to make choices. When we have to make a choice, we are always confused whether our choice is correct or not, whether our choice leads our life in a better way. So there is always confusion when we have to make a choice. In the present poem, Robert Frost has mentioned that choices in our life, they are very important. Right choice, it makes our life full of happiness, comforts and even success. It depends on people that what type of choices they make, and based on the choices the life of people depend. Now we start our poem, The Road Not Taken. The first stanza of the poem is: two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down, one as far as I could, two where it went with the undergrowth. This is the first stanza of the poem. Here in this stanza, the poet has said that he has reached to one junction in the yellow forest. Yellow, this word, it is used for the it is an adjective which is used for the forest, yellow forest, as when the poet has reached to one junction in forest. That time autumn season was going on, and due to that the color of the forest, it looked yellowish, so the poet has used the adjective yellow. So the poet, once he has reached to the junction in a forest, when he reached at one of the places at a forest, from that place the road, it diverged into two parts. Diverged, it means two different routes, or we can say separated. Then he was standing at a junction, and from that the road separated in two ways. So there was a confusion in his mind whether to walk on one road or he would walk on other road. So that time he has to make a choice. He has to make a choice. Then, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. As the poet was alone, he was the only traveler. So at the same time he could not travel both the roads, and it is not even possible. Being one person, can we walk on the two roads at the same time? No. So here Robert Frost, he is also not able to travel both the roads at the same time. That is why he felt sorry. He felt sorry as he could not travel both the roads at the same time. So he stood at that junction and he looked both the roads. He looked the road as far as he could, and finally he observed that the road bent with undergrowth. Undergrowth, it means the road, it was disappeared under the bushes, under the dense bushes and grass. So this was the explanation of first stanza of the poem, The Road Not Taken. Thank you, students.